has written. It's currently one of the most watched songs on YouTube.
500 more views.
500.
In 2 months. Never done it.
And it's entirely original. Nubs, take it away.
First things first, I'ma teach you how to find the area of a two-dimensional figure. Oh yeah, ooh, ooh. Identify the shape, oh ooh. Second thing second, if it is a parallelogram, you'll have to find the length and you'll have to find the width. Ooh, ooh. And then you multiply, ooh, ooh. That'll give you the area that is only if you're solving a four-sided shape. Some examples are a rectangle, parallelogram, or a square. What if you have to find the area of a triangle? Well, you take the base and the height, multiply, then divide by 2. Shapes, you have to learn geometry. Geometry. Shapes, you multiply to find the volume. The area. Shapes, triangles, rectangles, and trapezoids. My brains, my sparks, my knowledge came from shapes. You have to learn geometry. Geometry. Third things third, if you see a trapezoid, add up both of the bases and then cut that right in half. Ooh, ooh. That times the height. Ooh, ooh. But for circles, it is different. Yeah, these shapes are pretty odd. You have to take the radius and multiply it by pi. Now pi always equals up 2 figure 1 4. And after you multiply each two together, you multiply that by 2 to find your answer. Yeah. Shapes, you have to learn geometry. Geometry. Shapes, you multiply to find yourself the volume. The area. Shapes, triangles, rectangles, and trapezoids. My brains, my sparks, my knowledge came from shapes. You have to learn geometry. Geometry. Last things last, we'll cover the 3D figure. A cube, there are 3 main things that we are looking at. Ooh, ooh. Length, width, and the height. Ooh, ooh. Now you multiply all 3 together. It's difficult, but you got this. You have learned shapes. You have to learn geometry. Geometry. Shapes. You multiply to find yourself the volume. The area. Shapes, triangles, rectangles, and trapezoids. My brains, my sparks, my knowledge came from shapes. You have to learn geometry. Geometry.